Hello, Droplets, and welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new, thank you for joining today, and I hope that you find my content a bit helpful. If you like it, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, I wanted to talk about art style. What about art style, and why is it a topic that every artist seems to talk about? If you notice, many professional artists will not talk about art style. Why is that? Well, it's because they don't need to. I have noticed that every beginner artist or someone trying to learn how to draw keeps asking the same question. How do I find my art style? I'm going to tell you flat out, you don't. You don't find an art style. It just naturally happens. Much like when you stop looking for love, love finds you in a sense. The reason why many professional artists can never answer this question is because they never really found an art style. It just slowly happened, and they can't pinpoint a specific time where they just decided, this is my art style now. Their art style came about from hours of research and practicing, and they eventually found a groove that worked for their art, and they stuck with it. In my own personal experience, I had the same question. How do I find my art style? And I tried out many other artist styles and techniques and was never satisfied with my work. And I kept trying to replicate other styles and it just wasn't me. Art is meant to be an expression of oneself, and if you're trying to copy someone else, you can't truly express yourself. If you want to quote unquote find an art style, just stop looking. Rather, focus on learning basic drawing techniques, how to create and draw different lighting, learn more about color theory, and so on. Learn to master the basics of art and your art style will come naturally. Just focus on expressing yourself and keep learning to better your craft, and you will look back and see how far you've grown. And then maybe one day you'll create your own unique art style and others will enjoy it. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please leave a like. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!